Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. I was just shooting live with the Learn Plan Profit Group, and one of the questions that they were asking is, why was natural gas so bullish? I'm not too sure if you guys all noticed this, but I wanted to give you guys a very, very quick answer, as it's somewhat hard to find on Google when you Google search, why is natural gas going up? I know a lot of the people that watch this channel at least stay up to date with the overall movement of natural gas. And even if we go on the 2-day 5-minute chart, you guys would have seen that on Friday, 2 to 3 hours before the market closed, you guys can see that there's a very strong push on natural gas. And pretty much all of this morning and even during the pre-market session, you can see that /NG and how it's currently trading is very, very bullish. Of course, there are some pullbacks, but why is natural gas rising? If you guys just move on over to this new section, that natural gas is rising based off of output decline hope. This is all I've been able to read. And again, if I am mistaken and you have found there to be another reason on why natural gas is rising, please feel free to share that down in the comment section, as again, we're always open to learning more about what is causing this fundamental push on natural gas. One of the things that you guys might be asking yourself is that, well, is this something that is going to drive the price up and change the overall direction of natural gas? That's really for up to you guys to decide. As of right now, it's still trading below the SMA line. It's still staying true to its overall pattern of making lower lows and lower highs. Yes, natural gas is pushing up, but looking at the RSI, looking at the MACD, and just looking at recent patterns, it wouldn't be much of a surprise if it does get rejected. But one of the things that I did want to empower you to do is to at least understand why it's pushing up, not just on the technical aspect, but on the fundamental side. It looks like, again, there is an actual reason on why natural gas is rising. And I would hate someone to enter DGAS, which is the inverse ETF, hoping that, again, based off of recent patterns, that it's gotten rejected around this general area, but it just can continue to upturn. At the end of the day, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They do not always have to. So although this thing has been getting rejected, this is just a friendly reminder that there is a reason on why natural gas is pushing up right now. And is it a big enough reason that it can continue to push? Well, that's something that we're going to just have to give it more time for the direction to be a little bit more clear. And I wanted to give you guys a little bit more of an explanation behind this. So natural gas rises on output decline hope. So by reducing the amount of output, meaning that the overall production of natural gas, by reducing how much natural gas is being produced, you can then control the overall supply. So as long as the supply either stays the same or it actually increases, then the overall price of natural gas will then become as well more valuable. And there it goes. Natural gas just about to make new highs, 1.719. And it wouldn't be much of a surprise if it does continue to push up. So this is just a friendly reminder that there is a reason on why natural gas is pushing up. I would have not expected something based off of hope to push and drive the price up so aggressively for natural gas. But again, I am no one to judge against the overall direction or try to predict an overall reversal when it comes down to something being so bullish. So all I'm saying is that, yes, I do agree that natural gas is overbought. I do agree that it does have a lot of pullback potential, but at the end of the day, I just wanted to share with you on why it's pushing up and why you should stay so patient and not trying to predict a reversal, but actually allow an opportunity to present itself. So again, let me know in the comment section if you guys know of another reason on why natural gas is pushing up. But as we can see right here, it just hit highs of 1.724, and natural gas is not looking like it's going to stop anytime soon. So I hope that you guys learned something new. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Don't forget to join our free Facebook group. We have over 254,000 members. It's absolutely for free. And if you guys want to get connected, again, it's going to be that first link down below. To subscribe to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you guys get alerted when I go live. And like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.